Hello guys, thank you for watching my video, and here are the ugly designs. Here, wait, please ignore that. Okay, so you see this one? This is actually a fake BG12. I already asked Google, and I even put this in the Google Lens to see what is it. It says it appears to be a BG12, but unfortunately it's a fake BG12. And look at this locker. Locker is actually fake as well. But here is a fake Spencer Alert Classic. It is a very ugly design. Hold on. Well, look what we got. An ugly looking cover, because there's a lot of foreign fans that hate these. These things can be also garbage. Yeah, I also hate these as well. I don't understand why would my mom buy this one, of course. But for the heck of that, let's go to the next kind of farm, because you know what? You don't want to see what's inside. Unfortunately, it's ugly looking as well. Switch is also real than the other one, but this one, a freaking scam. Honestly, not gonna lie, because this thing doesn't fit anymore, because it's too old and it's too useless. This was also used. I got this from eBay, of course, and got this from eBay. Unfortunately, not Amazon, because farmers can be also expensive. You know what? Because I was making I wouldn't know, but the videos that you saw in the Minecraft world, that was actually my oldest world. It's already 2 years old, and unfortunately, my world just got deleted. Of course, due to the software. But want to see this? Look. Ugly this side anyways. Next, screw these. Next, what's next here? 3, 2, 1. Well, that was a fake fire alarm. Moving in the next one, the real fire alarm. Here is a Honeywell. I don't know what model is this. I'm gonna ask Google later once I'm done with this video. This model is probably, I believe, a Honeywell at deem so. And we have a Truler Simplex. I always see the same model. If you cannot see it, it probably says 49 0 05 or 06 minus 9101. I couldn't see the model because of course my eyes are blurry. But I believe you can see it. The date code is also 2249V. Actually, it's used, but I washed it cleanly. I already washed it, so it's clean. So please do not worry about the one. But also, moving on to the next one. We'll talk about that later. Moving on to this one. Wait. Obviously, I'm struggling right now. So yeah, this is a Honeywell. I think so. This one has a bad glue in it. Want to see this one? Look at what this says. Okay. The paints are absolutely poor. But never mind. This was sold by Alarm Wiz. You can check in his store on eBay. but unfortunately his stuff are not arriving unless because the seller is away. So I'm not sure what year is he going to come back. Well, there's a missing button here, so it's a scam. Want to check inside here? Oh yeah, these screws were loose. These screws were loose that I had to fix it right away. And of course there's burnt metal. But by the way, moving on next, this one, the True Alert Simplex. True Alert and Simplex. Want to see this one? Put it there. Here is what it's inside. Of course, you want to see what's inside here. Look. You see these wires? You see this? Those are called device. Hold on. Hold on a minute. Let me pause this for a bit. So device is already gone. Now here's the inside of this strobe. The Simplex horn strobe. Honestly, it's not a horn strobe. It's not just a strobe. You see these wires? I tried connecting these with the batteries, but unfortunately these don't turn on. This doesn't turn on due to I actually tried wiring it with battery wires in it, but unfortunately for this, they failed. But also to take a look inside, look. There's also a battery there that could also, I don't know if that's battery or not. It doesn't matter for the heck of that. So, you see these. They are also easy to find. They are also cheap. You know, you can find them in eBay. You can go check the seller. It's also cheap. It costs like, I believe it's probably $8.95. Well, let's put them back. In 3, 2, 1. Bam! Alright. Also, I forgot. There is a new farm device coming eventually. It's a wheel lock. It's a Gamewell wheel lock. I wouldn't know what brand was that, but I believe it's Gamewell. The look of the plate, it's like a straw right here. I'll put in the paper. This is a wheel lock. What I was talking about. Sorry, do not mind these. I struggled to try to draw it. So, well, thank you for watching my videos. I hope you subscribe, and I hope you do the comment, and I hope you leave a like. Thank you.